Living in a Clearwater coastal property means enjoying picturesque views, refreshing sea breezes, and the charm of waterfront living. However, the unique environmental challenges that come with coastal living, like high humidity, salt air, and occasional tropical storms, require special attention to the durability and performance of your home's features, including doors. Proper door installation is a crucial step in maintaining your property's security, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. Here's why professional door installation is essential for Clearwater coastal properties and the benefits it brings to your home. Enhanced weather protection. Coastal properties in Clearwater are exposed to humid conditions, salty air, and the potential for strong winds during tropical storms. A properly installed door provides a strong barrier against these elements, ensuring your home remains protected. Key weather-related benefits. Moisture resistance. Professional installation ensures doors are tightly sealed, preventing water intrusion that can lead to mold, mildew, or wood rot. Storm readiness. Hurricane-rated doors, when installed correctly, can withstand high winds and flying debris, safeguarding your home during severe weather. Corrosion prevention. Proper sealing and installation help prevent salty air from corroding door hardware and frames. A well-installed door acts as the first line of defense against Clearwater's challenging coastal climate. Improved energy efficiency. In Clearwater's warm climate, keeping your home cool is a priority. Properly installed doors help maintain indoor temperatures by preventing air leaks and minimizing heat transfer. Energy-saving advantages. Tight seals. Professional installation eliminates gaps and drafts, reducing the strain on your HVAC system and lowering energy bills. Insulated cores. Many modern doors feature foam-filled cores that improve thermal insulation, keeping your home cooler in the summer. Low-E glass. If your door includes glass panels, energy-efficient options with low-E coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light to brighten your space. By reducing energy consumption, a properly installed door makes your home more comfortable and environmentally friendly. Increased security. Security is always a top priority, and a properly installed door significantly enhances your coastal property's safety. How professional installation improves security. Reinforced frames. Expert installers ensure the door frame is securely anchored to withstand attempts at forced entry. Secure locks. Advanced locking mechanisms, such as multi-point or smart locks, function optimally when installed correctly. Impact resistance. Proper installation of impact-resistant doors ensures they perform as intended, offering protection from intruders and extreme weather alike. A professionally installed door provides peace of mind, knowing your home is safe from both natural and human threats. Protection against salt and corrosion. The salty air of Clearwater's coastline can accelerate the wear and tear of doors, especially those made of metal or with exposed hardware. Proper installation helps mitigate these effects. Durability-enhancing features. Weatherproof finishes. Installers use materials and techniques that protect against salt air corrosion, extending the lifespan of your door. High-quality materials. Fiberglass and composite doors resist rust and warping, making them ideal for coastal properties. Sealed hardware. Properly sealed hinges, handles, and locks prevent salt buildup and corrosion. With professional installation, your door will stand up to the harsh coastal environment for years to come. Boosted curb appeal. A beautiful, well-installed door can transform the appearance of your coastal property, enhancing its charm and value. Aesthetic benefits. Custom designs. Professional installers can help you choose and fit a door that complements your home's architectural style, whether modern, traditional, or coastal. Sleek finishes. Proper installation ensures smooth alignment and a flawless finish, elevating your property's curb appeal. Glass enhancements. Side lights, transoms, and decorative glass panels are expertly installed to maximize light while maintaining privacy and security. A new door, installed with care, makes a lasting impression on guests and potential buyers alike. Reduced maintenance needs. Coastal properties often require more maintenance due to the environment, but a professionally installed door can minimize upkeep. Maintenance-reducing benefits. Durable seals. High-quality installation techniques prevent issues like air leaks, water damage, and drafty gaps, reducing the need for frequent repairs. Weather-resistant materials. Properly fitted fiberglass or steel doors resist warping, swelling, and corrosion, even in humid conditions. Long-lasting performance. Expert installation ensures your door operates smoothly for years, reducing wear and tear on hinges and locks. With less time spent on maintenance, you can enjoy your coastal lifestyle to the fullest. Increased property value. Investing in proper door installation not only improves your home's functionality and appearance but also boosts its market value. Value-adding factors. Energy efficiency. Buyers appreciate homes with energy-saving features, including well-sealed, insulated doors. Storm readiness. Hurricane-rated doors add value, especially in Clearwater's storm-prone region. Modern aesthetics. A new, professionally installed door enhances your property's overall appeal, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Proper door installation is a smart investment that pays off in comfort, savings, and resale value. Conclusion. For Clearwater coastal properties, professional door installation is essential to protect against the elements, enhance energy efficiency, and elevate curb appeal. Whether you're upgrading to a hurricane-rated door, adding stylish glass accents, or improving your home's energy performance, a well-installed door ensures your property meets the unique demands of coastal living. Contact a trusted door installation expert in Clearwater today to explore options tailored to your needs. With the right door and professional installation, you can enjoy a safer, more comfortable, and visually stunning home by the coast.